Kaushik, you're on now?
Yes,
Let us
sir.
start the meeting then. Very good. Hope you had a nice day. Is it raining in Ooty or how is it? Weather nice, huh? Very
It's
cool.
like raining only, sir.
Raining only. Okay. Okay, let us continue from the yesterday. From now onwards, we'll go a little faster. And today we will not test your 8th, 9th, 10th tables. Okay. Let us go cover some subject because we are getting late. One whole month we are taking for just covering one subject. It's very bad. We have to do 2 subjects per month. Then only we can finish it. We are going half the speed. Only 50 kilometers per hour we are going. We'll have to go at 100 kilometers per hour, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now let us take this problem. The internal and external radii of this problem. Internal and external radii of a hollow hemispherical shell are 3 meter and 5 meter respectively. Okay. So how to draw that? First you'll have to visualize that. First thing what you'll have to do?
Visualize.
You have to visualize that. Okay. Next year you have to do 11 standard maths. All these 11 standard maths. Okay. Start coming. And let's go with this then. So here's a thing. This is external radius. This R. Okay. Then inside that other thing. Okay. This is R. Okay. This one is R. Okay. Internal and external radius are 3 meter. R equal to 3. Big R is equal to 5 meter is telling. Okay. Now he's telling find the TSA, find the CSA of the hollow shell. Hollow hemispherical shell. Okay. Now you should remember the formula. What is the no, this is becoming like that. Okay. Now, so what is the formula for the CSA?
2 pi into big R square plus small R squares.
R squared is the formula for one shell, one hemisphere. Okay. Here we have big R squared plus 2 pi R squared. Okay, this is the external one. இதனுடைய இதுவும் அப்புறம் இது இன்டர்னல் ஒன். இதனுடைய full ஏரியாவும். ரைட்டா? புரியுதா?
Okay, sir.
Kaushik, no sound from you. Don't tell me once again you lost your connection. Hello? You're hardly able to do anything, man, if you're going to constantly keep saying no connection.
Sir?
What happened to your connection?
So no, sir. I just got a message from my maths teacher, sir.
Hello, you're there, right? Kaushik, can you speak up?
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm there, sir. Sir? Yes, sir.
Kaushik?
Sir, can you
What
hear
are
me?
you doing, Kaushik? No sound from you. Every day, if you keep saying that this is a problem is with my bandwidth, you got a problem with your bandwidth, will not be able to do anything.
Sir?
Please solve your bandwidth problem. Get a proper Wi-Fi connection. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I can hear your voice clearly, sir.
Still no sound. Kushik, what is happening? Are you able to hear me? Kushik, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Problem solved now. Okay. Yeah, let's go on. At least you chat and tell me if there is any problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
okay. Yeah.
excuse me, sir. I just got a message from my maths teacher, sir.
What?
She's keeping special class at 3:30, sir.
Hey, what is this? Yeah. You should forget that class, man. Let us finish this class. You tell her, sorry, ma'am, I gone outside.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
outside, ma'am. I can't come and சொல்லி விட்டுருங்க வேலை வெட்டியில மேத்ஸ் டீச்சர் சும்மா கதை விட்டுருங்க. Let us get on with this. Okay. Your maths teacher need not do anything for you. You listen to this class, you attend this class properly, you'll get 100 out of 100. Okay. Now, 2 pi r squared plus r squared. That is the formula for CSA of a hollow hemisphere. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Correct or not? Okay. Now, what you have to put is telling CSA therefore is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into what is r squared?
5, sir.
5 squared. This one, other small r squared?
3.
3 squared. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 squared is how much?
25.
3 squared is how much?
9.
9. Okay. So that is equal to 244 by 7 into 34. Okay. So what is 44 into 34? 4 fours are
16.
16. 4 fours are
16.
plus 1 17. 3 fours
Yes,
are
12.
12. 3 fours are again
12.
plus 1.
13.
6 plus 0.
6.
7 plus 2.
9.
1 plus 3.
4.
Okay. Now what you have to do? 1 4 9 6 by 7. 7 will go in 14 how many times?
2 times.
2 times. Right. 7 will go in 9 how many times?
1 time.
1 time. Remaining 2. In 26 how many times it will go?
3 times.
3 times. Remainder is 21 is the answer. So remainder is 5 by 7. So the answer is 213 and 5 by 7 equal to CSA. Okay. Now let us find TSA. What is the formula for TSA for? Remember?
Yes, sir.
This is the formula, correct?
Yes.
Correct or not? TSA follows hemisphere. Yesterday we learned. Okay. Now substitute values. Tell me how much is pi?
22 divided by 7.
Okay. 22 divided by 7. 3 into r is how much?
5.
3 into 5 squared plus small r how much?
3 square.
3 squared. Very good. Okay. 22 by 7 into 3 into 5 squared is how much?
25.
3 squared is how much?
9.
9. Okay. 22 by 7 into 3 into 25. 3 into 25.
75.
75 plus 9. How much? 75 plus 9 how much?
83.
Huh?
83, sir.
83. 75 plus 10 how much?
70. 10, sir.
75 plus 10 how much?
85.
Ah,
Sir, it's
minus
not like
1 how
9,
much?
sir.
Huh?
It's not like 9, sir.
75 plus 10 how much, ma'am?
85, sir.
85 minus 1 how much?
84.
84. Right. How many times? 8. In 8 how many times it will go?
1 time, sir.
Remainder is 1. In 14, how many times it will go? 7. 2 times. Okay. So 22 into 12 is the answer. 22 into 12. 12 into 2?
24.
24. 12 into 2?
24.
Plus 2?
26.
So answer is TSA is equal to 264. Okay.
Okay,
Got
sir.
that? So
Yes,
the
sir.
correct answer coming from there. Okay. Now let's move on. I'm going to put this in your. You have to move fast, man. You have to move very fast. You are very, very slow. You will fail your 10th standard if you keep on like that. You have to be very fast. Okay. Now
Okay,
we are going to start practicing very fastness. That is very important. Okay. Maths 10. Oh, which Maths 10? Okay, I'm putting it here. This problem has been solved. Okay. Now let's get back to next problem. We have to move fast. We have to move fast. We have to move fast. Okay, now this is example. Okay, let us about this other thing. The whole page is not coming. The computer is slow. All of us slow only. Nothing fast. Then how we will come? Okay. Example 7.12. Okay. Now it's saying, see, there's a nice example. There is a sphere. Okay. So radius is R. Either way, radius is R. Then there is a cylinder. Cylinder, radius is R. Okay. Height is also equal to R for the cylinder. Okay. And then he's telling there is a cone. Radius is R. Okay. Then H is also equal to R. Okay. Three things are there. Find the ratio of their CSAs. CSA 1 is to CSA 2 is to CSA 3. Okay. This is CSA 1, this is CSA 2, this is CSA 3. Find the ratios. Okay. What is the formula for sphere? Surface area, curved surface area. No, there's no curved surface area, only surface area. Sphere, what is the formula now?
4 pi r square.
Okay, this is 4 pi r square. Okay. Ratio. Okay, so cylinders,
Sir?
cylinder formula now.
Cylinder. Like,
What yesterday you learned, today you'll forget.
Right.
Formula is 2 pi RH. You are not learning anything, man. I'm going to tell your mother you are not learning anything. Simply a time passing. Whatever you teach you, nothing will work out for you. Okay. You get even Mr. Ramanujam or Shakuntala Devi to come and teach you, you will not learn because problem is not with teacher, problem is with you. You are not learning 2 pi RH. Okay. Then why you don't even know this formula by now? And almost 2 weeks we have spent on this, just this one simple exercise on mensuration. You don't know the formula for curved surface area of a thing. What you are learning then? Okay, what is the formula for cone?
Pi r into L plus R.
Pi RL. That's all. We are not talking about. We are talking only about curved surface area. Where will be L plus R and all will not come for curved surface area. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is what total surface area. All wrong formula. You don't know the formula. You don't know your multiplication tables. What you are going to do. How you are going to be motivated to learn. Why you are not learning. You tell me what's your problem. Are you a lazy person? You are lazy, right? That's why you are not learning. Lazy persons cannot achieve anything in life. வாழ்க்கையில சப்பையா இருக்கணும்னு விரும்புறியா? ஒரு சப்ப பையனா இருக்கணும்னு விரும்புறியா? அம்மா போலீஸ் அதனால எப்படியாவது பாத்துக்குவாங்க, ஏதாவது சோறு போட்டுருவாங்க, ஓசி சோறு சாப்பிட்டு வாழ்ந்துடலான்னு பாக்குறியா? என்ன யோசிக்கிற நீ? வாட் இஸ் யுவர் ஐடியா அபவுட் லைஃப்? Why you are not learning? What's your problem, man? Why you are not learning? No interest in anything. Mathematics is the most interesting subject, man. You are not interested in this subject where there is no memorization. Other subjects, how you do? What rank you are getting? How much total you got in your previous year exam?
84, sir.
80?
84.
84 in maths, huh?
Yes, sir.
Out of 100, huh? How you got that?
Sir.
24 also you cannot get at this rate. So your teacher are fudging. They are making you to memorize the maths and just write the steps like that. Okay, so you don't understand anything. You don't understand anything. Simply they are telling. So pi RL, CSA is pi RL. Okay, now look at this thing. L is equal to what?
Sir?
What is the formula for L? To find L, this L.
R, sir. L is equal to R.
What is the formula to find out L, man? In the right angle triangle. Okay, this is L. This is H. This is R. What is the formula for finding out L? L is equal to root of what? You see a textbook at least and tell, man. You're learning nothing, right? I'm simply wasting my time on you. What is the formula for L? Page 275 in your textbook. Tell me what's the formula. Simply coolly sitting 84 out of 100. 0 out of 100 only you would have got. You can't even get 24 out of 100. What are you bluffing 84 out of 100? Which miss put for that to you? How can she put 84 out of 100? What subject you did that 84 out of 100? எதெல்லாம் பண்ணீங்க? I'm asking you, no. Tell me. Which chapter you did? Relations and functions, huh? She finished relations and functions. Which one you got 84 out of 100? Hello, Kaushik. Gone again. Mr. Kaushik, where have you gone? Missing. Mr. Kaushik, just gone out. நிமிஷம் கிளாஸ்ல உட்கார மாட்டான் 3:30 மணிக்கு கிளாஸ் டீச்சர் ஸ்பெஷல் கிளாஸ் வச்சிருக்கேன் Hello, is it Kaushik? Kaushik, அவங்கள அம்மா அவங்கள யார் பேசுறது மேடம்? அவன் வந்து லாகின் பண்ணாம லாக் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுறான் அவன். அதனாலதான் அடிச்சேன் நான். சரிங்க மேடம். அவனை லாகின் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. அந்த டியூஷன் மாஸ்டர் தான் பேசுறேன் நானு. லாக் அவுட் பண்ணி போயிட்டான் அவன் கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து. அந்த மாதிரி பண்ண வேணாம்னு சொல்லுங்க. அந்த கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. தேங்க்ஸ்மா. ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்து மேடம் நான் டியூஷன் வாத்தியார் நான். ஆன்லைன் டியூஷன்ஸ் எடுக்கிறேன். ஆமா இப்ப லாக் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டான் அதனாலதான் உங்களுக்கு அடிச்சேன் நான். எங்க காணா போயிட்டேன் ரொம்ப நேரமா காணோம். சரி மேடம் வந்துட்டான் நான் அப்புறம் பேசுறேன். Kaushik, what's happening, Kaushik? Kaushik?
Sir.
What are you doing?
Sir, I just got disconnected from the internet, sir.
So there is only 1 hour of class, and then you disconnect for 10 minutes, 15 minutes all the time. Every what can we do, man?
No, sir.
What should I do?
Connection, sir.
You have a Wi-Fi connection or not?
Yes, sir. It's not working suddenly, sir. Today
it's not working. Why are you having that connection? Have a good Wi-Fi connection. I'll ask your mother to give you a good Wi-Fi connection. First thing is you get a good Wi-Fi connection. Which one is this? Act FiberNet or which one? Hathway or what do you have?
Netlink, sir. Cyrotech.
Cyrotech Netlink. Remove that and put Act FiberNet. Act FiberNet connection.
Running really slow, sir.
Very slow. Every time you're telling me it's very slow. I think the problem is not to the net. Okay. Anyway, if you keep doing like this, I won't be able to handle anything. You are trying to make it like the school only. Okay, let's get on with our lesson. Okay. Let's get on with the lesson. Okay. Okay, what is the formula for L? Please tell me now. Slanted formula enama?
So?
Please tell me the formula for the slant height.
Yes, sir.
L is equal to what? Okay, at least take page 275 and tell me from there. Now at least you tell me. See, read it and tell me. You are not learning anything. Simply telling problem is video bandwidth and all that. Kaushik, are you going to say something or what?
So sorry, sir. My mother suddenly coming, sir.
Kaushik, are you making a mess of this thing? Do you want to actually have tuition? Do you want to learn mathematics?
My mother entered my room, sir.
Your mother knows that you are in tuition class now. Because you are doing something wrong, that's why she's calling you. You're not logged in. You're logging out and logging out. Whenever I ask a question, if you log out, what is the point of it? No.
Sir.
L is equal to what, Kaushik? Tell me.
R square plus H square, sir. It's not.
You got it, huh? Root of R square plus H square. Now, what only you learn? Okay, here H is equal to R, correct?
Yes, sir.
R and H are the same. H is equal to R here. Okay. So L is equal to R squared plus R squared. Root of R squared plus R squared. That is equal to 2R squared. Root of 2R squared. Okay. So r squared you can bring into r and root of 2. L is equal to r root of 2. So what is the answer for this? Pi into r into root of 2 into r. R into root of 2. Okay, that means pi into r squared into root of 2. So here is 4 pi r squared ratio 2 pi r. Again here also r and h are h is equal to r here also. So 2 pi r squared. Okay, in all these places you can remove the r squared. In all these places you can remove the pi. That means 4 is to 2 is to root of 2. That is the answer. Okay. In case you want to give it in terms of 1, then divide everything by root of 2. Divide everything by root of 2. Divide everything by root of 2. Root of 2 by root of 2 is how much? 1. 2 by root of 2 is root of 2. 4 by root of 2 is 2 into 2 divided by root of 2. This will become root of 2. So answer is 2 root of 2. This is the answer. Okay, this is the ratio of the CSAs of the sphere, the cylinder, and the cone. All right. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Half the time you are spending going out and coming in. What to do with you? Okay, I'm putting it in WhatsApp. Okay, you learn that also. After I put in, I don't think you ever see anything I put in WhatsApp, right? You just go and enjoy and don't do anything, and next day you come back. If you do like that, what will happen, Kaushik? What will you learn? Maths is such an it requires intelligence, maths. It makes you a logical reasoner. It makes you a human being. It makes you a really a man. Gives you intelligence, grows your mind. You don't want to grow in your mind. You want to remain stupid. நீ சப்பையா இருக்க விரும்புறியா பெரிய ஆள் ஆகணுமா வாழ்க்கையில என்ன யோசிச்சு வச்சுக்கிற? What is your goal in life? சப்பையா இருக்கணுமா இல்ல பெரிய ஆள் ஆகணுமா?
Game design, sir.
You want to become a big shot or you want to remain a small fry? சப்பையா இருக்க விரும்புறியா இல்ல பெரிய ஆள் ஆகணுமா வாழ்க்கையில? What is your aim in life?
I want to become a game designer, sir.
You want to become a
game designer?
I don't understand. What do you want to become?
Game designer, sir.
Don't understand. Can you speak a little slower?
Game designer, sir.
Game designer. Why can't you speak clearly, man? A game designer. So much logic is necessary to be a game designer. You have to work in computers. Everything is highly mathematical. You don't want to learn mathematics, how you'll be a game designer? You think game means just drawing some trees and like that, huh? You have to program, man. You have to program. You have to use either Java technologies or other kinds of technologies of Android phones. And you have to start programming. It's very hard work. Very intelligent people only can do that work. You're telling you want to be a game designer and you're not willing to learn maths. You're not learn nothing. How you'll be a game designer? Okay. Anyway, this is done now. Let us go to the next problem. There's a problem. I don't know what to do with you. Going out, coming in. Okay. Example 7.8. Let us try to do example 7.8. Find the diameter of a sphere whose surface area is, the surface area of a sphere is 154. No, I think we have done this already. Now let us go on to the next understanding of frustrum. What is a frustrum? Okay, look at the textbook here. Are you able to see the textbook, ma? Okay, now look at the frustrum. Frustrum is nothing but you have seen this in olden day cinema theater. If you go, you will have fire buckets like this. Red color they will have on the sidelines. Okay, or ordinary bucket, some tub. Take some tub. Okay, like this. bucket. Take some bucket like this. Now, this is an example of a frustrum. How do you get a frustrum? A frustrum is got by, yeah?
By cutting a cone's bottom, sir.
By cutting?
A cone's bottom.
Not by cutting a cone's bottom, by cutting, yeah, somewhere, yeah. Depends on what you mean by bottom. Either you actually cut the cone's top or a cone's bottom, whatever. When you cut it, you will get two circles, okay? This is the first circle, radius. Understand this one? That is one circle. Then you will get the base circle, which is already there. Okay, this radius will be R, this radius will be R. Okay, now one more thing. You now have a slant height. Okay, this is called slant height. So you will have a small slant height L. The full slant height of the cone is L. That is not calculated. Okay, this we will not need. Only up to the point where it is. See, only up to the point. Till this point. That is L. Okay, that is a slant height L. Okay, now look at this way. If you drop a straight line from here, okay, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, now this is H. Okay, see, he's telling H. This is H. Now this is big R. Till here is big R. Okay, now this is small r. Small r. Okay, so small r is here. Small r. So what you have to see is, in this triangle, you're getting something like this. You are getting H. You are getting the slant height L. And what you are getting is, from here to here, you are getting big R. Okay, big R minus small r. Okay, this distance is big R minus small r. Okay, now this is a right angle triangle. So L squared is equal to, okay, L squared is equal to H squared plus R squared minus R squared. Okay. R squared minus R squared. That is what is given in the place here. Okay. So this is the formula you are getting. Okay. L squared is equal to what? H squared plus R squared minus R squared. In a normal cone, L squared is equal to H squared plus R squared. That's all. Okay. In a normal cone. But in a frustrum, L is equal to, or in a normal cone, L is equal to H squared minus R squared, or H squared plus R squared. Okay. But here, it is equal to H squared plus R minus R, the whole square. Okay, not like this. R minus R, the whole square. Okay. Now, how you arrive at that? This is how we arrive at that. I'm showing you how you arrive at that. Okay, what happens? First thing you should know, here onwards, you're dropping a straight line. This line is H, height is H. Okay. So if the height is H, the slant height is L, this distance, see this distance is equal to R. Okay, so something here, let us say, okay, இது வந்து பெரிய ஆறு, இது வந்து சின்ன ஆறு. ஓகே, அப்ப இந்த ஏரியா எவ்வளோ, இந்த லென்த் எவ்வளோ? Big R minus small r. Okay, that is why L for a frustrum is equal to root of h squared plus r minus r the whole square. Okay. Normally L for a cone will be what? H squared minus r squared plus r squared. Okay. Here it is h squared plus r minus big R minus small r the whole square. Okay. That is a formula you should take. Now, how you calculate the surface, curved surface area of a frustrum? It's one more easy thing. One more easy thing. Okay. What you are doing, you take this thing. Okay. This circumference is 2 pi r, small circumference. Then you take this big thing. This circumference is 2 pi big R. Okay. Now you take the average of the small circumference and the big circumference. Okay. And then multiply by the slant height. That is all you get the CSA. Okay. CSA of frustrum. CSA of frustrum is equal to average of the small circumference and big circumference into the slant height. Okay. So what is the answer you are getting? This is the answer you are getting. Okay. Average means half into 2 pi big R, 2 pi small r into L. Okay. This will cancel off. That means take the pi outside. R plus R into L. Pi into R plus R into L. That is the answer. So that is a formula. So we saw what? Pi into big R plus small r into L. Normally cone, what will have the formula? Normal cone. Pi R L. That is a normal cone formula. Here, pi R plus R into L. Okay, this is the frustrum formula. Normal cone formula is pi R L. Very simple to remember. Okay, frustrum formula, pi into big R plus small r into L. That's the way it works. Okay. Now, this is only CSA. Now, what you have to find out? You have to find out TSA. That means you have to area, you have to add what? You have to add area of the bottom circular region, that is pi r squared, and area of the top circular region, that is pi r squared. So CSA plus both. Okay. Already we know CSA is equal to pi into r plus r into L plus pi r squared plus pi r squared. Okay. Pi into r plus r into L plus, take this pi outside, r squared plus r squared. This is the formula for the TSA of a frustrum. Okay, slightly complicated. You must mug this. You have to memorize this. Pi r plus r into L plus pi r squared plus pi big R squared plus pi small r squared. Okay, this is what is given here. Understand? You'll have to mug these things, or you have to remember these things. Okay, let us do an example. Example 7.13, let us take and do. Example 7.13. The slant height of a frustrum. That means slant height of a frustrum L is 5. Oh, sorry, not is 5 centimeter. Okay. Radii of its ends are 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter. big R is equal to 4 centimeter. Small r is equal to 1 centimeter. Find its CSA. What is CSA? Pi into r plus r into L. Correct? That's now we found out. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So pi into r plus r. Now tell me how much is pi?
22 by 7.
Okay. Big R is how much?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeters. Small r is?
1 centimeter.
L is?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeter. Okay, very good. Now 22 by 7 into 4 plus 5 is how? 4 plus 1 is how much?
5.
5 into 5. So 5 into 5, 25, correct? That is equal to 22 by 7 into 25. Now 25 into 22, how much? 2 5s are?
10.
And 2 5s are? 2 2s are?
4.
That's 1 5. Okay. 2 5s are?
10.
2 5s are?
10.
4 are?
10. 10, sir.
2 4s are? 2 2s are?
4.
That's 1 5. Okay. 0 0 5 is 5 5 50. Okay. So what is the answer?
550.
950 centimeter square. What is this? TSA or CSA?
CSA.
CSA, not TSA.
Sir, I told CSA.
What is the formula? She's asking for CSA. Don't tell TSA. What is the formula for TSA?
TSA 5
Uh,
plus small r.
TSA will be CSA plus pi r squared plus pi r squared. Okay. That means pi into r plus r into L plus pi into r squared plus r squared. That is only the formula for TSA. You only asked CSA. Okay. Now I'm putting this in your WhatsApp so that you can see it. You must learn these sums, man. You must go over them again and properly see that. Otherwise, what is the point? I'm pasting that. Okay, very good. It's not going. Something wrong. It's not going. I'm trying to just connect to a different block. Okay. Now we are connected. Okay. Okay. Now what do you do? Next one. Industrial metallic bucket is in the shape of a frustrum of a right circular cone. Okay. Let us take that industrial metallic bucket. We'll go to see this one. I don't know if I dropped this. Okay, I think I have pasted this. Okay, now we are going to do example 7.14. Industrial metallic bucket. Okay, in the shape of frustum of right circular cone, top and bottom diameters. Top diameter R is equal to 10. Bottom diameter R is equal to 4. Okay. Height is 4 meter again. Height also 4 meter. This one. H is equal to 4. Okay. Now find the CSA and TSA. Both CSA and TSA you must find out. Okay. Now what you have to do? This is in the ulta direction. So if you draw a straight line from here, it will go and cut here. Okay, this is H. Okay, this area is R minus R. Okay, so L is equal to H squared plus R minus R the whole square. Okay, Pythagoras theorem apply that. What is H? H is how much?
4 centimeter.
4. So H squared is
16.
Please calculate fast. R is how much? Big R. 10. Small r is how much?
4.
4. Okay, the square. Okay. Root of 16. 10 minus 4 how much?
6.
No, we made a mistake. See, he is telling diameter. Big diameter is equal to 10 and small diameter is equal to 4. Okay, that means big R is equal to 5, small r is equal to 2. Okay, so thank God you found the mistake. So then big R is what? 5.
5.
5. இது எவ்வளோ இது 2. 5 minus 2 எவ்வளோ?
3.
Plus 3 squared. That is equal to root of 16. 3 squared எவ்வளோ?
9.
16 plus 9 எவ்வளோ?
19.
16 plus 9 எவ்வளோ? Counting,
Sir?
Tell me the answer.
16 plus 9, 25. Sir.
Very good. We are taking so long, root of 25. So L is equal to root of 25. What is root of 25? It's 5 into 5. So L is equal to 5. L is equal to 5 meter. We found out. Now, what is formula for CSA? For frustrum.
For frustrum, sir. 5. Bigger square plus smaller square.
5 into R plus R into L. Cone uடைய formula என்ன? Pi R L. Frustrum உடைய formula என்ன? CSA pi R plus R into L. Okay. You are not remembering, no memorizing also not possible.
Bigger.
Yeah?
It's bigger, sir. Bigger plus smaller.
Speak clearly, man. I'm not able to hear you.
Like bigger plus smaller, sir.
Bigger plus smaller. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now tell me maths. Pi is equal to how much?
Pi is 22 divided by 7.
Big R is how much?
5.
Small r?
2.
L?
5.
5. Okay. So 22 by 7 into 5 plus 2?
7.
7 into 5. 7 and 7 cancel. 22 into 5, how much?
2 into 5.
5 twos are?
10.
5 twos are? 5 twos are?
10.
10. Plus 1?
11.
11. So this is 111. Okay. So CSA is equal to, or you can put CSA is equal to 110. Now you'll have to find TSA. What you'll have to add? You'll have to add pi r plus r whole square L plus what? Pi r squared plus pi r squared. Okay. So that means 110 plus pi into r squared plus r squared. That's all you'll have to add. All right. Got it.
Yes, sir.
110 plus, okay, 110 plus, leave 110. Pi is how much?
22 by 6.
R is how much?
5 square.
Pi square. Small r is
2 square.
2 squared. Okay, very good. 22 by 7 into 5 squared how much?
25.
2 squared how much?
4.
Okay, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 25 plus 4?
25 plus 4. 29.
29. Okay. Now 22 into 29, how much now? 9 into 2?
18.
Very good. 9 into 2
18.
plus 1?
19.
19. Okay, 2 into 2?
4.
2 into 2?
4.
Okay. 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 4?
13.
13. 4 plus 2?
6.
638. 638 by 7. Correct. How many times 7 will go in 63? 7 into 9?
49.
7 into 9?
49.
7 into 7 is 49. 7 into 9?
7 into 63.
Yeah, so it goes 9 times. 7 will go in 8 how many times?
1 time.
1 time. 91, 1 by 7. Okay. So the answer is 110 plus 91, 1 by 7. 110 plus 1, 1, 0 plus this one. 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1?
1.
Yeah, இதை சொல்றதுக்கு ஏன் அவ்வளவு டைம் எடுக்கிற? 9 plus 1? 9 plus 1? 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1?
Sir.
2. 201 and 1 by 7. So the answer is 201 and 1 by 7. Sorry. Not
Sir, I can hear you, sir.
201, 1 by 7. Are you hearing me?
Sir.
You're able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The answer is nothing but 110 plus 91, 1 by 7. Sorry, 1 by 7. Okay. 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 201. Okay. 201 and 1 by 7. That is the answer. Huh? This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. 201 and 1/7. So your textbook is doing differently. I'm doing differently. Hey, what is the same answer only? You'll get both times. 201.14 meter. Okay. Pi r big R plus small r and L plus pi r squared plus pi r squared. Okay, that's all we did. You can keep doing from beginning of the formula, no? Again, but it's no use. No use doing from the beginning because already you've done that first part. CSA already found out. CSA plus pi big R squared plus pi small r squared is TSA. That's why I did it like this. Okay, I'm posting this in your WhatsApp. Now you go and learn this also. Look at all these things carefully and learn them. Okay. Let us see if we can do one more sum. Okay. Progress check lende edha onu solunga paakalam. I think that's all we'll have time. How many frustrums can a right circular cone have? Any idea?
Right.
See, this is a right circular cone.
Okay, sir.
Now, if I cut like this, inga one kachicha, idu vandu oru frustrum. Inga cut பண்றேன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. இங்க ஒண்ணு kachicha. So இன்னொரு frustrum. So the answer is you can have more than one. You can have many frustrums from a right circular cone. Okay. Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
The portion of a right circular cone, portion of the right circular cone intersected between two parallel lines. This portion is called what? This portion is called what? Huh?
Like parallel lines, sir.
Right. அது பேர் தான்டா frustrum. What is the portion of the cone? You're not understanding the question. You're not memorizing the formula. எதுவுமே செய்ய மாட்டியாப்பா நீ? என்ன பண்ணலாம் சொல்லு நம்ம. If you don't cooperate, then we don't succeed. Both of us must cooperate. It is not enough if I teach you clearly, slowly, everything. On your side, you have to learn. How much time you are spending after I finish the class? How much time you are spending on learning what we did? You should spend at least 1 hour, no, every day.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, how will you improve in your maths? You are telling you got 84 out of 100. I don't know how you got 84. Show me that maths notebook, exam paper where you got 84 out of 100.
I don't even have the paper, sir.
You take a photograph of that maths paper where you got 84 out of 100 and send to me on WhatsApp.
I don't know. I have the paper, sir.
Huh?
I don't even know where I have the paper, sir.
பா கொஞ்சம் தெளிவா பேசுப்பா நீ பேசுறதே புரிய மாட்டேங்குது I don't even know முனவிட்டு இருக்கிற எனக்கு புரிய மாட்டேங்குது You don't know what?
I don't have the paper, sir. Now.
You don't have the paper. Okay, what evidence you have that you got 84 out of 100?
I don't even have the report card.
Huh?
I don't even have the report card.
You don't have a report card, you don't have anything, but you're simply telling you got 84 out of 100. I don't think you are able to get 84 out of 100. It's not possible. You're very poor in maths. You have to improve. So spend, as soon as this is over, today evening you sit and spend and revise all that thing you have done in mensuration so far. Okay, memorize all the formula. Okay, pi r l, pi into big R squared plus small r squared into L for frustum. Okay, pi into big R squared plus small r squared L plus pi big R squared plus pi small r squared. That is for the total surface area of a frustum. Okay, all this you have to memorize. Pi r l is for the cone. Pi r l plus r is for a total surface area of a cone. Okay, cylinder 2 pi r h, sphere 4 pi r square pi r squared h for sphere. Hemisphere is 2 pi r squared. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r squared. Curved surface area CSA is 2 pi r squared. Okay. Hollow cylinder pi into 3 r squared plus r squared. That is the total surface area of a hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere. CSA of hollow hemisphere 2 pi into r squared plus r squared. CSA of okay. All this formula you must have by heart tomorrow. Okay. Write out in your notebook and keep it. Nothing, if you learn nothing, you will get. How you will get 84 out of 100? You will get only 0 out of 100. Okay. Don't tell me 84 out of 100. Other, maybe your miss wrote your exam for you. You didn't write the exam.
No, sir. Last year it was easy, sir.
Last year it was easy, huh? If it is easy, this year will be. Last year it was easy, this year it should be easy. More easy. Because you learned very well last year. Okay. Okay, anyway, 5 o'clock over. That's all we can do now. Come back on Wednesday. All these formula for everything, CSA, TSA, of all the things, cones, hemispheres, spheres, and cylinders, you must know by heart, you must tell me.
Yes, sir.
I will ask you immediately, you will have to answer, right in the chat box. Pi you cannot draw, so you, instead of that, you put Pi. Like that you put the formula. Okay. Pi எழுத முடியாது 4 pi r squared னு chat box ல எழுத முடியாது. அதனால 4 pi r square அப்படி எழுதுனா. Okay. Okay. Right, ma. All the best. I hope today you will learn everything and you will not keep quiet. Okay. Today, please learn everything till now. Till page 281, you have to learn. We start the exercises from tomorrow onwards. Very important. Okay.